Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So we're here at Gen Con on Saturday. It's the most packed day of all of them. I've yet to interview anybody like I wanted to, but it's been a really good time so far. The vendors seem like they're doing really well. All the artists seem really happy that Gen Con's back in full swing, so it's been a really good time. I don't know if I'll end up interviewing anybody. I'm gonna volunteer at one of the booths. We'll see how that goes. Right, so we're on the floor of Gen Con. I just got finished helping John volunteer at his booth. He gave me this beautiful screen printing, so I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna go try and meet up with other people. I've not really stopped to play many games. I've mostly just been looking at stuff and hanging out in the artist's alley. This is day 3, potentially day 4. I'm gonna go back and interview people, but we'll see if I'm dead, because I am pretty tired. I've been doing quite a bit, and you know, just getting a lot of B-roll footage and stuff like that. So we'll see what ends up happening. So I'm on my way back to Gen Con for day 4, Sunday. There's no way I'm going to be able to interview people today. I don't have the energy. I've not been prepared. So this video is just going to be a vlog, but that's alright. we'll still have a good time, and I'll show you all the things that we got.
Now they all have to sing without harming us in the process. Makes us new and different every time you play. And that's the gist of our game. Now, if you want a more role-playing experience, we've got our fantasy edition here.
And it's 10 minutes to close the con. It's been a good time. We're just wrapping up, buying the last of our things. See the vendors, they're all starting to pack up. There's barely anybody here. It's been a good weekend. I got the lanyard for my badge. I brought some of the pins that I already had, right? This is creator of Parsley, Knuckles the Echidna, of course. And I already had the Spear of Time from John's Astro Mythos, but I also got his snail, the galaxy inside of it. And then I got this pin is new. It's from a book that I picked up. It's a symbol, I guess, for constructs. We got these free posters. Very cool looking. I don't even know if I'll hang these up, but you know, you see a free poster that looks like this, and you're like, I gotta have it. I also was gifted this print you saw earlier in the video by John. Very gorgeous work. It matches one that I have already, so I'm very excited for that. I also got this free RPG Quick Start Rules booklet. It's for dungeon crawlers, I think is what it's called. Already started this, and I bought this. Ryutama describes itself as a Hayao Miyazaki's Oregon Trail. So it's all about travel and trying to make wonderful adventure story. Now this is where the pin that I was showing you is from the Grand Bazaar. This is a storybook that's about different beasts. You learn about them through different people's stories of them. And it's got this beautiful symbol on the back. He described this as Ghostbusters meets The Office. You quit your job to go become a ghost hunter. Next, we got some card games. So this is Name the Thing. We got to test this with the creator of the game, and it's kind of like an apples to apples Cards Against Humanity style game that you have these cards and they tell you like name the hot new cereal that's coming out, and then you've got descriptor cards in your hand. You lay those down and try and name the thing. This game, Medium, I have loved this. You work in pairs. You have cards that are objects, items, things, and you lay them down at the same time and try and guess the medium word in between those things. So say you get like rock and scuba diving. You and the partner try to figure out what to say that is the in-between of rock and scuba diving. So maybe you would say coral reef or sea floor or something like that, and you try and say it at the same time without speaking to each other, like you're reading each other's brains. And then the last thing we got tea. So all in all, I was really happy with everything that we picked up. I got a nice variety of things, not too many things. I feel like we didn't indulge too much, and I'm excited to slowly go through and look at all of these. We also got some stickers and some like tokens and stuff like that. For instance, I got these, Vice Schwartz anime collector cards. There's Eren Yeager, and it's like Dragon Maid or something like that. But then Dwarven Forge, I signed up for their email thing, and they gave me this little, it's like a terrain piece for role-playing, and you're supposed to hide something under the rock. Kind of cool. I don't have anything else that it goes with, but that's why they gave it to me free. So yeah. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, feel like subscribing, giving it a thumbs up. You can do that. It's up to you. Otherwise, we'll probably see another video similar to this for next Gen Con, and hopefully I'm actually interviewing people. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful morning, evening, and night. This has been Boy.